welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl and spokesperson for Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand campaign. Can you believe that it's already September? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a really simple, healthy recipe that you can make at home. It's a really interesting time of year. So many people are juggling working from home, figuring out school for their kids, while at the same time making sure that everyone's taken care of and well fed. Today, I hope I can help solve the what's for dinner question by sharing with you a really delicious herbed chicken lemon pasta. This is a really simple dish. It's great for those weeknight dinners when you just need something quick and healthy and fast. Of course, this dish features sustainably grown Limoneira lemons, so make sure you look for them next time you go to the grocery store, if you're doing your grocery order and your pickup, to add Limoneira lemons to your cart. And now let's get to our recipe. To make this recipe, you will need Limoneira pink lemons, extra virgin olive oil, thin cut chicken breast fillets. You will need an all-purpose flour, whether you prefer to use gluten-free or regular flour. I also like to use a little bit of coconut flour, dried parsley, onion, oregano, salt and pepper, and you will also need spaghetti noodles. Again, I like to use gluten-free, but you can use any spaghetti noodle that you love, as well as fresh parsley. Begin by adding the flours and seasoning together in a medium bowl. Add the zest from 1 pink lemon and whisk together. Next, in a small medium bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the juice from 1/2 of a pink lemon. Add the chicken breasts and marinate for 30 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a baking dish, coat both sides of the marinated chicken breasts with the flour mix, and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While the chicken breasts bake, boil your spaghetti, drain, and toss with 3 tablespoons of olive oil and the juice from the remaining Limoneira pink lemons. Then chop some fresh parsley and toss with your pasta. Once the chicken is fully cooked, slice and serve on top and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching today. As always, you can find a link to view or print this recipe in the video description box below. Don't forget to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay connected and just for more DIY recipe and healthy lifestyle inspiration. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!